just a short video. I had a leak on the Amiga, so this is a new heater bypass valve I put in last year. As you can see, it's leaking down here. I've got one of these pressure testers on it. I couldn't work out how it was leaking, so not so long after sort of changing it. But there you go. So it seems to be coming from up here. There's a wee bit, you can see it there and here. I don't know why it's coming out of there, but it's obviously a seal inside or something, but that's new. Apparently GM, it's got the GM number on it. Don't know how long it's been lying, but apparently brand new, so I've had to strip everything out. Yeah, I haven't got the covers over the inlet just in case anything drops down there, but so there you go. I've got another one. I don't know whether to use, I bought two new ones. I don't know whether to just use my old one again, just chance the old one, because there's nothing effectively wrong with the old one. It's just thought I'll replace it while I'm in there when I was doing all the other work, but I think just putting it back to the old one again. That wasn't leaking. Okay, cheers.